Your attention, please.
ATES NIO 59 na.
It's your day, so let's unwind with laughter and friends combined. Celebrate, leave worries behind. Come on, let's have a good time. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with. Happy birthday to you, my ray of sunshine. May your dreams come true. Forever I will be with you.
Hi tita, happy birthday po. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Sana po lagi kayong malakas at masigla at laging masaya. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito Tess. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come and more eggs to come galing sa kapitbahay nyo. Prituhin natin. Excited na kami makakain ng itlog ng kapitbahay nyo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama Tess. I love you. Birthday po, Mama Tess. Salamat po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo. I love you po. Happy birthday po, Mama Tess. Sasama ako sa Zumba. Happy birthday po, Mama Tess. Sama din po ako sa Zumba.
Birthday Mama Tess, I love you and thank you for the things you do for us.